Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to earn free PayPal money fast and easy. I'll be showing you 6 ways how you can do this. And by the way, the ways that I'm about to show you works in majority of countries worldwide. What I would recommend you do, you simply sign up and see if it is available in your country, which more than likely it will be. And by the way, the options that I'm about to show you will not earn you life-changing money, but it will definitely earn you some free PayPal money quickly, meaning that you'll be able to cash out very soon. The first option that I would recommend that you try is signing up to Feature Points. And by the way, Feature Points is available on both Android and iPhone, as you can see right here. And after you have downloaded the app, you can sign up with your email address and you'll be able to complete surveys and earn PayPal money. And you'll instantly be able to cash out. And by the way, Feature Points also allows you to play games, and you can also earn PayPal money by doing cashback. So if you like to shop online, you can shop through Feature Points app and you'll be able to get some cashback while you shop. And you can see you can also download some of your favorite apps and games from Feature Points, and you'll be able to earn points, which in turn you can transfer to become your PayPal money. The other platform that I would recommend you try is Autopoll. And with Autopoll, again, it's an app that you can download on both Android and iPhone, and you'll be able to take surveys. Autopoll is a good option to earn some extra PayPal money during your spare time. So it doesn't pay a lot, but it definitely will pay you a good amount of money compared to other survey sites. So you can see here, you'll simply take surveys, then you'll be able to cash out. You can choose between instant PayPal payouts, gift cards, or one of their other payment methods, or you can donate your cash to a charity. And you can also earn more by inviting friends. And by the way, this is a good way to earn extra PayPal money with majority of these apps or sites that I'm about to show you, as they tend to pay good when you refer someone. And third option on this list is Super Pay Me. And Super Pay Me, as far as I understand, is available worldwide. And with this, you'll be able to get paid to do surveys again. And you can see here the cash out limit is very low. So you'll be able to cash out instantly from as little as $1. So you can get your $1 in your PayPal account as soon as you earn it. And as I said earlier, you'll be able to earn the dollar by doing surveys. You can also do cashback, meaning if you want to shop online through Super Pay Me, you could do that and get some cash back. And as you can see right here, you'll be able to get paid the same day thanks to their 8-hour payment promise. So you'll be able to cash out via PayPal and receive your money the same day. And you can also scroll down and you can see right here, they have paid over $5 million thus far to their members. The other platform that I would recommend you give a try is one of my favorites, and it's called Free Cash. And with Free Cash, there are numerous ways how you can earn, and it's available worldwide. The first option you could try is by doing surveys, and they have some of the best paying surveys I've seen. And you could also download them, and you can also play games. You can also test websites. There are numerous options on how you can earn with freecash.com. And as you can see right here, yesterday users cashed out $51,000. And you can see that the average user yesterday earned $13. And thus far they have paid out over 18 million USD dollars. As you can see right here, this is one of the best and easiest ways to earn some PayPal money online. And the other option that I would recommend you look into is Prize Rebel. And Prize Rebel is one of the most highly rated survey websites around, and it's quite easy to sign up, and it's available worldwide. But the amount that you'll be able to make varies depending on the country you're in. For example, if you're in America, the United Kingdom, or Australia, your earning potential will be a lot higher compared to someone in the Caribbean or so on. But it doesn't matter the country you're in, you will still have an option on how to earn some money with Prize Rebel, and you'll be able to cash out via PayPal. And you can earn by playing games, you can earn by doing surveys. There are numerous options on how you can earn. And last but definitely not least, the option that I would recommend that majority of you try is Ysense. And with Ysense, you'll be able to earn doing surveys, and you can also earn by going on their offer walls. Let me tap on offers right here. And you can see the different offers that you can choose from. So you can choose to test new services. You can also earn by watching videos. And again, this will vary depending on the country you're in. So the amount that you'll be able to earn will depend on the country you're in. And you'll be able to cash out via PayPal. And again, this is available on both Android and iOS device. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.